Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your Love Bite. It's Friday, so here it is. These are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind when you watch the reading, okay? Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, bless this reading for my Libra gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, we're going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to be blessing you with a guidance, advice, message, or a blessing. This card popped out for you, Libra. I'm going to keep it. It's the card of pause. So maybe there's some kind of pause going on in your life right now. Could be in any aspect of your life, but my intention was to do a love bite. So maybe this could be in your love life, Libra. Let's put this card here and see what this card has to say to us. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the love you're sending to the channel, all your support that you're sending me. Thank you for all your comments and your likes. I'm very blessed and grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, of course, Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of our Omkara family. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is a little love bite we do every Friday for you. Just a small 9-card spread to check what's going on in your life, if there's any message that needs to come through for you. Your longer readings have already been put up, more are coming. And if you're looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Oh wow, bottom of my deck I do see the Fool card, Libra. So either you're dealing with a Aries or you're looking to have a fresh new beginning somewhere with somebody. So let's put this card here and start opening your cards. Another new beginning, Ace of Pentacles. Wow, what's going on, Libra? Been in pause mode for too long? Ace of Pentacles. Justice, here you are. Libra, that's your card, the Justice card. And another ace. Oh my God, what's wrong with you guys? Ace of Wands as well. Look at these cards. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and the Justice card smack middle. This is going to be an interesting read. Okay. Two of Swords in reverse, which means making a choice. Seven of Cups in reverse, like finding that one cup that satisfies you the most and no longer looking for other options. The Emperor is here again, which is again another Aries card here, but that's in reverse at the moment. King of Swords, that's your card. The Lovers and the Five of Cups in reverse, getting out of regret, sorrow and upset. So that's the goal here, but I do see one or two cards which are kind of bothering me here. So yes, you're looking for a fresh new beginning, Libra. You're looking to bring back justice. You want to take that passion and move ahead. You want that choice. You've already made that choice, I think. You've already chosen the cup you want. But right now, I think you're feeling a little powerless at the moment because of you don't know how to communicate the decision that you've made. The Lovers is here, which could be again a very strong connection that you feel with somebody with who you want to come out of a period of regret and sorrow, maybe a period of pause here. Let's see. Let's take some dialogue message cards before we clarify these, Libra. So, Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Libra and their person, thank you. Let's take another 3 from here. So underlying energy of this reading is the Fool, which is a fresh, brand new journey, wanting to jump off that cliff and trust that the universe is going to catch you this time. So let's see how the reading goes. These are messages from the heart. I'll take a few of these as well. One more. Let's take one. Oh, that's it. Thank you. And we're good to go, Libra. Let's start your reading. Let's take these first. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Just give me some more time. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Just give me some more time. Okay. I have to juggle a lot of responsibilities right now. So, Libra, this could be you telling your partner that, or your partner saying that to you. Let's get away together and disconnect from the world. I think somebody is really tired of juggling or having too many responsibilities, and they feel the only way, I think, to end this pause would just kind of leave everything behind and just go off and start anew on a holiday or something. Disconnect from the world. That's what somebody is really wishing for. I admire you, I care about you, I trust you, I respect you, and I love you unconditionally. You are my true love. Somebody really wants to convince you here, Libra, or maybe that's what you want to say to your partner. Though we cannot meet or see each other, still I love you more every day. My heart belongs to you for eternity. Yes, somebody has made their choice, that's for sure. I just want to hold you now. It's been too long since you held me close and I'm aching for you. I was there for you when you asked me to be, and even when you were silently suffering, I heard your soul cry out to me asking for my support. I always showed up for you, but when I needed you, where were you? Maybe that's why there's a pause going on. Even though there was love, it wasn't shown, and the other person saying that, yes, you love me, but where was the support when I really needed you? You were busy with your responsibilities. You were asking for more time. You were busy doing everything else except supporting me when I really needed you. And I always was there when you needed me. I try to detach and let go. Then I get flooded with telepathy, dreams, and your strong sexual energy which takes me over. Damn it. So even if you guys are apart, I think somebody is really, really feeling passionate about the other person, and the other person can maybe feel it. Okay, even if you guys are apart. Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? Maybe they recognize that you recognize that your partner was the one only after it was too late. And by the time you realized, maybe your partner was gone and now it's haunting you. Or vice versa, right? When you told me you thought I was too good to be true, I was one of the few good and true people in your life. So somebody's got some resentments here, saying that they were not treated right in the connection, and now somebody wants to wipe the slate clean here and start something brand new because they've recognized that who's their happily ever after. They want stability. They know that this is their partner who they're supposed to be with. This is like that twin flame, soulmate kind of connection. Okay, so Ace of Pentacles, Spirit. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Somebody wants a fresh, brand new beginning. They know where their happiness lies now. They know who's their sunshine, who's the happiness of their life. And they're keeping a close watch on this person. I don't think anybody has moved towards the other person yet. But yes, the more they are seeing their person, the more they are getting excited to have this new beginning. Sometimes what happens is you can't see the thing that's right in front of you, and sometimes with distance, your entire perspective changes. So as maybe there's distance between the two of you, like the card said. So since this person has been spying or keeping a watch on their person, the more they are seeing them, the more they are realizing, oh my God, this is the one I want. This is my happiness. Justice. How many aces are you going to get? I've already got the three in the first line itself. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. The only one missing right now is the Ace of Cups. But seeing the spread, I won't be surprised if that comes up too. All right. So, yes, this is what you're looking for. You want to bring back justice. This time, you want to give your truth. You know you have passion. You want a fresh new beginning. And you want to do the Libra thing and bring back balance and kind of level up the scales now. Because now you've realized, you're sure of who your one is. Ace of Wands, Spirit. Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. I think in the past it was just a sexually based connection. There was too much passion maybe in the past, and I think one out of the two of you, I think, kind of got fed up and kind of dropped this, stopped fighting for this connection. Maybe thought there was too much cheating, lying, or some sneaky behavior going on, and maybe left this relationship, snuck away from this relationship. Maybe there was a big fight that you guys had. There was too much of fire and passion at one point, and that kind of maybe somebody was using their sexuality as a way of controlling how this relationship would progress, right? This is like the dictator who says this is the way it will go and nothing else. But now that clarity has come to them, now that truth has, kind of cut through all the fog to say, oh my God, what did I do? I didn't do justice. And this is the person who makes me happy. This is my sunshine. And yes, I want to go back to them. Now, why they want to go back, I must see that Ace of Cups to be able to tell you if that comes. Two of Swords, because we must figure out, do they want to come back again for a fresh new beginning for the same thing, or do they really, really love the person, right? So, Two of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Two of Swords in reverse. Libra, I think you've made your decision now. You've made your decision. You've realized that maybe you had other things to do, like this card said, juggling too much responsibility. Maybe you were spending so much time that you forgot about emotional happiness, right? So you just maybe were treating your partner like an outlet for your escapades, if you know what I mean. So I think you spend so much time in focusing on your responsibilities and your work that you never really gave importance to this emotional happiness that could have been. And by the time I think you've made that decision, there's already been heartbreak here. Somebody's, I think, either moved out or there's been a fight, there's been some upset here. By the time this decision has been made, I think hearts have already been broken here. Seven of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Seven of Cups. Yes, like I said, by the time somebody has made a decision as to, to choose their one cup, now they've made their decision. This is the cup I want. That one cup is the one that I want. Now it's too late. Things have already stagnated here, Libra. And it's left you only with sleepless nights, worrying, having nightmares, making you feel a loss of power now. Now you realize what you were trying to control. You were trying to control your own happiness here. And you've lost it, and now you've realized, and now all you can do is worry and feel upset over it. The Emperor, yes. You're feeling a loss of power because the person who was actually, okay, I don't know who this is, Libra. This could be you who could be the cross watcher. But whoever the masculine was in this equation was feeling powerful because of this person, the Queen of Cups. This person was, I think, probably giving so much energy to this masculine that they started to kind of feel like the King of Wands, like the Emperor. And by the time this Empress has removed her energy now, this Emperor is now in reverse as well. So it's like a broken connection. Empress and the Emperor in reverse right now. While the feminine was pouring out her love, the masculine was pursuing their passions. Now, this doesn't have to be just other women, could be their work, could be their responsibilities, could be anything. So, this finally, I think this Queen of Cups turned her back. She put a lid on that cup of love of hers and said, hey, it's all right. If you don't want me, then I don't want you either. And that's led to this Emperor and Empress relationship being in reverse now. And now somebody has realized it and having sleepless nights over it. King of Swords, Spirit. King of Swords. King of Swords. Another ace. Another ace. Oh my God. This is the fourth ace I've got. But Ace of Cups is still not here, Libra. I've got another Ace of Pentacles. So somebody is trying to be very... they're still not trying to tap into their emotions. They are trying to think of a practical way. Unemotional, practical way to work together with their person once again. Maybe by involving them in some kind of work, maybe offering some kind of stability. They still not coming. That Ace of Cups is still missing. Until I think that's going to be missing, there's going to remain a pause here. Now, Libra, this could be you. This is your card, the King of Swords, right? Maybe you're still trying to use your logic to have this fresh new beginning. How to bring this person back so you can be with this person again. So, Lovers, Spirit. Lovers. Lovers. The reason you're making this decision, Libra, the reason that you are using your brain, your head over your heart into making these decisions is because you or your cross watcher has too much of pride and ego. Okay? You don't want, you feel if I make a choice, it may kind of blow up and it can kind of fall on me. What if I'm the only one making that decision? You don't want to do anything that is going to kind of disrupt you. You're scared of the tower falling. Maybe this person will refuse me. Maybe it won't work out. Maybe this, maybe that. You're so scared of another tower moment that in your ego and pride, I think you want to make a decision, very, very practical decision. 5 of Cups, Spirit. 5 of Cups. And that's the reason the pause is there, Libra. Right now, you don't know, you can't see, okay? The moon is there, the moon energy is there. You can't see behind the veil what's going on. As much as you want to come out of the sadness and regret and sorrow, there's so much confusion as to what to do, what to say, how to do it. And all you're doing is staying in this hangman's place and staying stuck. So the moral of the story is, Libra, there is one card which is missing from this entire spread. I have all the aces over and over again except that Ace of Cups. That's the missing piece that you need to move this story forward, to get it out of pause phase. Anything else, Spirit? Yes. Yes, you have to... If you want a brand new beginning, if you want this brand new beginning, Libra, you can't stay stuck in that mindset forever. You are the one who's stopping. The universe is waiting to give you this fresh new beginning. They're waiting to give you this. You have to trust. You have to trust that the angels are going to catch you. But you're keeping yourself stuck, very well knowing that this is your one. But the problem is you are still being a bit stubborn and not coming forward with that cup of love that you should be offering to your person. Instead of offering pentacles and wands and whatever else you try thinking of offering, come with that cup of love. Even if you can't get it to get that Ace of Cups, which I have been looking for, I haven't found yet, at least come with a teeny weeny one. A little Page of Cups, right? So, yes, if you want this to move, Libra, that's your secret. Okay? So, that's all I have for you. Till next time, then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.